Navigating your eBIRForms quarterly income tax return doesn't have to be a headache, and today we're breaking it down for you. First, let's talk deadlines for your quarterly income tax return. You generally have until the 15th day of the month following the close of each quarter to file. These are May 15th for the first quarter, August 15th for the second, November 15th for the third, and February 15th of the following year for the fourth quarter. The primary form you'll need is eBIRForm 1701Q, Application for Registration Information Sheet, to be filed by self-employed individuals, mixed income individuals, and estates and trusts. If you are a pure employee, you might use eBIRForm 1701A, which is simpler. Always double-check with the eBIRForms website or your tax professional for the most current form versions. Most taxpayers, especially corporations and partnerships, will file electronically through the eBIRForms eFPS or electronic filing and payment system. You'll need to register for an account if you haven't already. For individuals, the eBIRForms package is often the way to go, which you can download and fill out offline before uploading. Once you have your chosen form, gather your essential documents. This includes your sales or income records for the quarter, expense receipts and invoices, previous tax returns, and any other supporting documents relevant to your income and deductions. Carefully fill out the form. Accurately report your gross income, eligible deductions, and tax credits. This will determine your net taxable income, upon which your tax liability is calculated. Take your time and ensure all entries are correct to avoid penalties. Payment can be made in several ways electronically. You can use the eBIRForms online payment channels like the Land Bank LinkBiz portal, DBP Pay Tax Online, or your bank's online platform if they are accredited partners. Alternatively, you can pay manually at any authorized agent bank or through revenue collection officers in eBIRForms revenue district offices. After filing and payment, ensure you keep copies of your filed tax return and payment receipts for your records. Proper documentation is crucial for future reference and audits. Staying on top of your quarterly income tax filings is vital for tax compliance. If you're unsure about any aspect, don't hesitate to consult the eBIRForms official resources or a qualified tax professional.